In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check crawl depth in Screaming Frog. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find crawl depth for individual URLs and how to view a visual breakdown across your entire site. First, open Screaming Frog on your device. This is the desktop SEO spider that crawls your site similarly to a search engine. We're using it to understand crawl depth, which is simply the number of clicks from your chosen start URL. A depth of 0 is the start page, 1 is 1 click away, 2 is 2 clicks, and so on. Shallower is generally better because it means users and crawlers can reach content faster. Next, enter your site's URL in the address bar at the top and click Start. Leave the view on the internal tab while the crawl runs. You'll see the progress percentage in the top right. Wait for it to reach 100%, so you're looking at complete data. On large sites, this may take some time, so let it finish to avoid partial results that can skew what you see. Once the crawl is complete, stay in the main window on the internal tab and scroll horizontally to the right until you find the crawl depth column. If your window is narrow, you may need to resize columns slightly to reveal it. This column shows the depth value for each crawled URL. You can click the crawl depth column header to sort, which is a quick way to bring the shallowest pages to the top or push the deepest ones into view. Depths around 0 to 1 are your home page and primary hub pages, while 5 and higher often indicate content that's buried and may benefit from stronger internal linking. Now shift your attention to the right-hand window pane. This panel updates based on what you select in the main results and provides useful summaries and charts. Click the Site Structure tab within that right-hand pane. This is where Screaming Frog gives you a higher-level, visual look at how your site is layered. Here you'll see a crawl depth chart that breaks down how many URLs exist at each depth level, 0, 1, 2, 3, and beyond. Use this to gauge the overall shape of your site. A healthy distribution typically shows a strong concentration at shallow depths, with a gradual taper as you go deeper. If you notice a large cluster of URLs at higher depths, it can be a signal to improve internal linking, add breadcrumbs or hubs, or simplify navigation so key pages are fewer clicks from your start URL. That's it. You've identified crawl depth per URL, sorted to find the deepest pages, and reviewed the site-wide depth chart to understand your site's structure at a glance.